Hi friends, today the topic is Python data types. Okay. So, Python in data types can be classified as one is built-in data types, second one is getting the data types, third one is setting the data types, and the fourth one is setting the specific data types. So, you have to have two basic knowledge on these four. Okay. First, I am going to discuss built-in data types. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variable can store the data from different types, and different types can do different things. Okay. Python has following data types built in by default in these categories. Generally, in this example is here. First one is for text type. Text type, widely we prefer this str, string. Okay. Numeric type. Numeric types purpose we prefer integer, float, complex. Okay. Next, sequence. Sequence types purpose we prefer list, list, tuple, 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 and we are using range, and sometimes for example this mapping type, that is dictionary, DICT, and set types. Set, set, and frozen set. Boolean type, prefer BOOL, Boolean, and binary type. Binary type purpose we prefer BYTES, bytes, BY binary, byte array, and memory view. All are small letters. So, this is actual built-in data types. So, directly with the help of this instruction you can call. Okay. Okay. Based on this, how can you get? That is actual getting the data types. Getting the data types. So, you can get the data type of any object by using type of something. Type of something. For example, here x is equal to 5, then you can write print type of x. You can show what type is it, then you will get the result for this is you are having this class in single quotation integer, you are representing this. So, whenever you are using this type, it shows that what is which type is it. This is the actual result. This is the example for this. Similarly, for if for example, if x is equal to, you are writing integer and float, 5.0, then you will get that value is float. If you write x is equal to academy, since in single quotation or double quotation, if you write academy, you will be get, for example, this x is equal to academy, then you can write print of type of x, then you will get the result is class of string, like that you will be get. Okay. For example, x is equal to 5.0, then you can write print of type of x, then you will get the result is class of float. Next one is, third one is setting the data types. This is setting the data types. So, in Python data type is set when you assign a value to particular variables. Okay. For example, x is equal to academy. Okay. Then you will get which setting is it, that value is string. You can assign the value for string. For example, x is equal to 10. Which type of string is it, which type of data is it, that value is integer. For example, x is equal to 1j, that is nothing but complex, the type is complex type. For example, x is equal to, in square bracket you are using this academy and comma project, the type of expression if you are given, that value is list. Okay. In list you are using square brackets, and x value is curve bracket, that value is academy or parenthesis. So, this type of interval is tuple. This is the example for setting the data types. Sometimes you can that is actual setting the specific data types, setting the specific data types. For example, here x is equal to 20. Okay. Then you can write y is equal to integer of x. You can specify which type of integer it is. Here the input value is number, input value number, and y value also number, that is actual integer value. You will be get that is the main role of this specific data type, you are having this. Okay. Sometimes if you take that x is equal to 20 and y is equal to string, and then you can representation of this type of x. Actual x value is integer, you can convert it with the help of string. Finally, you will get the result is string. What is the final value is 20 in single quotation, but here the result is exact 20. Here only 20, here in the single quotation 20. So, that is the role of setting the specific data types. Okay. For example, if you take another example is x is equal to float of 20.5, where that is a specific, you have to assign specific data type here, like that you can take. Okay, let us discuss various types of Python data types. Generally we prefer that there are text types. Generally we are considering this str, okay, str, okay, integer, float, and complex, list, okay, tuple, and range, like that. There are different functions of Python, data type functions. So, simply for example, if you take that value is x is equal to quotation academy, we have the number. You have to check is it which data type is it. So, simply you can write print of type of which variable we are considering, that x. After run the process, you will get that value is string, that is actually str, the class is str. Okay. Next one is, for example, x is equal to 20, print type x. After run the function, here x value is 20, that is actual integer. For example, x value is 20.5, and the run button, finally will be get that function is floating function. For example, x is equal to 1j, then print that is actual complex. When you have this, that is one type of complex. For example, and another one is for example, always that is a list function we are representing in terms of that is actual quotation and comma and single quotation, next academy, next comma, next one is project, like that you are taking this, then print this. Finally you will get list. So list is represented in terms of square brackets and all are segregated by comma. Okay. For example, if you take same expression is you are represented in terms of curve bracket, that is also a parenthesis, then you can represent in terms of the same function, you will be get tuple. In previous function is list. The difference between list and tuple is lists are represented by square brackets and tuples are represented by curve bracket. Okay. Next one is range function. What is the meaning of range? For example, x is equal to range of 7. So range of 7 means we are considering in terms of that function 0 to 6, then press. So what is the meaning of this? That is actual type of range. Next another function is dictionary. Dictionary function always it can be represented in terms of curved bracket. Okay. Simply I am taking that. Another one is quotation, a comma, single quotation, academy, comma, still single quotation, engineering, like that you are getting. Then if you represent in terms of square bracket, that is nothing but set or dictionary. Both are represented in terms of that. Okay, but dictionary, all are represented in curly bracket, but in the dictionary you have to have the type of keywords and that functions. For example, this function is represented in terms of single quotation, that is the name, single quotation close, and this. Okay. And the next one is comma. Then you can take in single quotation institute and colon. Okay. That is institution also, it can be represented in single quotation. Like that you have to represent. That is the concept of list. After press this you will get, that is actual dictionary. Okay. So what is the meaning of set is, no need to represent that keywords, all are having functions only. This is called as set. You are getting, this is the set function. Okay. Like that you can have different types of data types. Okay. Sometimes you may convert it in terms of another function is, for example, x is equal to Mumbai. Is